We're in November. It's your first day of your open house, principally for the UK market, Sodi-tech EDM. Now, what are you going to be showing to your customers here?
So we're showcasing really in our showroom all of the range of premium wire machines that we do and all the premium die sinking machines that we do, along with a couple of entry-level machines, some new high-end P machines, some drilling machines, also our refurbishment facility that we have, and the area that we have dedicated at the back for machine build and machine modification.
Now, I would have thought a lot of your existing customers and potential customers will know Sodi-tech for EDM, but obviously now machining centres, you've got injection moulding, but also you've got that assembly side now.
Yeah, so it's a great site at the back. We've got enough room there to possibly assemble new machines in the future. Plus also we can modify machines, so we can bring a standard machine in here, we can modify it to a specific specification for a customer and then sell it on out again. So yeah, it's a great facility, yeah.
And do you think this £7 million investment gives a lot of confidence to your existing customers?
I believe so, and from what I've been hearing out in the market, then yes, yeah, people can see that Sodick are actually making stamping their foot into the market in the UK and showing people that we're here, we've got the support, we can support you, we can follow you right the way through the process of buying a machine to the longevity of the machine.
And I suppose that actually having some of those other machines that you've not been selling in the UK, it's got to be a bit of a game changer, isn't it?
Oh yeah, for sure, definitely, yeah. So it opens up a completely different market again for us with injection moulding machines, machining centres. So we're bringing in another different clientele. And again, that clientele might well be a user of EDM machines, of different type of machines. So again, you can see then that we can also supply them with an EDM solution.
So obviously when you look at your company, the demands are very high with traceability within the aerospace sector, but when you talk about the machines that you're actually buying, why did you choose Sodick?
We had a particular job where we needed a very fine surface finish inside a three-dimensional bore, hidden down inside a component, but we had to access it on the x-axis, which is very difficult on a spark erosion machine. Test cuts done at various manufacturers, and the only machine that gave us the same surface finish all around the cavity was the Sodick. So purely bought the Sodick on its technical ability.
Now that's quite interesting. You know, when you look at the type of work that you're doing, you know, you're chasing microns at the end of the day, I suppose. But you know, principally, why are you here today? I mean, if you've got 5 machines, you know a lot about Sodick. Why are you visiting the open house today?
Well, I promised the guys at work that if we hit a certain figure, that I'd give them a day out, and here we are. And our company's moving towards the Sodick brand, and you know, I think it's good for all the staff to come and see the fantastic facility they've got and what they're doing, really.
So any engineers that have missed your open house here, Mac's not too far around the corner for 2020 in April at the NEC. Now, I understand you've got one of your biggest stands that you've ever had, maybe the second biggest at the NEC for Mac for next year, I should say. So with that in mind, are you revealing anything new?
Yeah, there'll be a couple of things new on the stand. Obviously, I'm not going to say what they are now, but yeah, we will have some new things to showcase on the stand. It's a Sodick Europe stand. Sodi-tech are obviously there as well. But yeah, there'll be some new things that you can have a look at.
And what would you say to potential new customers that may be considering an EDM, a machining centre, injection moulding, that may not know Sodick? What would you say to them?
I would say come and see us. Come and see us, give us a call, come and see us. You know, you can come in here, have a look around, we can show you what we do. But I'm sure that as soon as anybody comes in here and sees our facility and sees how we can support them, that will go a long way.
Thanks, Jim. I know you've got 3 full-on days, over 150 customers that have actually registered. Have a really good time.
Thank you very much. Yeah, better get back. There's quite a few people waiting to see me.